everyone, welcome back to Car Rush. Today, we've got something truly special lined up for you, the all-new 2025 Range Rover. This isn't just an SUV, it's the perfect blend of luxury, technology, and off-road capability, redefining what it means to drive in style. So, buckle up as we dive into what makes this beauty stand out in 2025. Cut to close-up shots of the car's exterior, sleek LED headlights, bold front grille, and aerodynamic lines. First off, just look at that design. The 2025 Range Rover keeps its iconic, minimalist look but adds a modern twist with sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. The new LED headlights are slimmer and more futuristic, and the signature floating roof gives it that timeless Range Rover feel. But it's not just about looks. This SUV is built on Land Rover's new MLA-Flex platform, making it lighter, stronger, and more efficient. Interior shots, sweeping views of the luxurious cabin, soft leather seats, and cutting-edge dashboard. Step inside, and it's like entering a first-class lounge. The cabin is quieter than ever, thanks to advanced noise cancellation technology and premium materials throughout. You've got the latest Pivi Pro infotainment system with a stunning 13.1-inch curved touchscreen, paired with a fully digital 13.7-inch driver display. And let's not forget the Meridian signature sound system, it's like having a concert on wheels. Cut to shots of the engine and driving footage, showcasing both city streets and rugged off-road terrain. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers multiple powertrains, from a mild hybrid inline-6 to a powerful V8, and even a plug-in hybrid option with an impressive electric-only range. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling rough off-road trails, this SUV delivers smooth, effortless performance. And with its legendary terrain response system, you can conquer any landscape with confidence. Final shots, the car driving into the sunset, smooth and powerful. So, is the 2025 Range Rover worth the hype? Absolutely. It's the perfect mix of luxury, innovation, and rugged capability, making it one of the most exciting SUVs of the year. If you're looking for a vehicle that can do it all while keeping you in the lap of luxury, this might just be your dream car. Cut back to host. That's it for today's review on Car Rush. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and let us know in the comments, would you take the 2025 Range Rover for a spin? See you in the next one. End screen with channel logo and subscribe button.